Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Walter Wright's AI. It's basically a tool designed to transform AI generated content into human-like text that's undetectable by AI detectors. So in today's review we'll cover how Walter Wright's AI transform and whether it's worth your time or not. So let's get started. And before diving into the review, please make sure to subscribe to the channel to support us and stay tuned for upcoming reviews. So head over to Walter Wright's AI using the link in the description box. Click on Get Started to create your account. After you create your account, you will get a 300 free words as a free trial. You'll notice the features that Walter Wright's AI offers, which is the humanizing AI text, which is the main feature, then detecting AI text if you have a text and you want to make sure if it's AI generated or not, and they have an upcoming feature called Next Gen Humanizer, which we cannot be talking about in this video. So we're going to be using the Humanize AI text feature first. You can access it clicking this button or this button in the left side. Click right here. Okay, so this is your dashboard. It's not overwhelming, and I'm going to explain each step one by one. But first we're going to go to ChatGPT to get our AI text. We're going to ask ChatGPT to generate our content that we're going to try on the Walter Wright's AI. So this is the AI text that we're going to be trying to humanize using the Walter Wright's AI. But before that, we're going to copy the text and test it on the Quillbot AI detector. After copying the text on the Quillbot AI detector, you click on Detect AI. As you see, the result is 100% AI generated. So the next step is humanizing the text using Walter Wright's AI. Alright, so after you paste your text in this box, you will move to the advanced options. The first option is readability. You click on it, you still have university, doctorate, journalist, marketing, but it's locked for the premium users. As a free user, you only get high school. And the purpose of this text, who's gonna read it, where you're gonna send it. So you get academic, marketing, business, and essay, but as a free user, you get only general. The next option is detection by pass level, which means how strict will be the humanizing process for the detectors to not be able to detect it. You still have as simple as a free user, but the standard and enhanced are for the premium users. You can click on this if you have specific preferences and you don't want to repeat them every time you want to use the tool. You can just check this mark, and you have two options right here. If you just want to scan the content and see if it's AI, you click on this button, or you can humanize and then scan it and see if it's AI or not. You're going to click on this button right here. Okay, our text is humanized. You can get to title, add a title to your text because later you will see them as documents to not get confused. But unfortunately, you can't see the AI detection score right here as a free user. but the main focus right here is the humanizing abilities. So this is our paragraphs right here. Then we're gonna copy this result and move to the Quillbot detector and see how it does. Alright, after copy paste the humanized text, we click on detect AI. Alright, so this is a accurate result. It said 0% AI, which means it's 100% human written. Even the Quillbot offers other results such as AI generated or AI refined or AI written and AI refined, so which means basically 50-50 result. But the result right here is showing 100% human written, which is a very accurate result for a first try, because usually humanizing tools fail from time to time, but our first try using the Walter Wright's AI is very accurate. Okay, after detecting the text in the Quillbot detector, the next step is Originality AI, which considered one of the strongest, if not the strongest, AI detectors out there. So we're gonna copy paste the humanized content that we got from the Walter Wright's AI results and click scan. Alright, so Originality AI said 100% likely original. Again, the first try, and I personally do trust Originality.ai. It's a very strong detector. 90% human written, and we used ChatGPT to generate this text, except we did humanize it on Walter Wright's AI. Okay, so the last thing we're going to talk about is the plans on Walter Wright's AI. As you see right now, after 3 hours, they have 50% off for the yearly plan, which means you pay half the price if you pay annually. So take your chance and try out the premium offers. Of course, what I showcased is only the free version of Walter Wright. As I mentioned, you can have AI detection results as well in your text. As you see in the first plan, it offers 10,000 words per month, 500 words requests, enhanced mode, of course, and this is marked as their best offer because it's kind of lower price and more features, if you can say. And this is a plan for people who really use humanizing tools a lot, because it offers unlimited words, which means you can humanize as much content as you want. Alright, before we go guys, just a little tips. If you click on documents, you can see all your results right here. You can add titles to not get confused, so all your projects will be saved on this tab. So don't worry if you humanize other text using this tool, all your projects going to be saved right here. Also, if you're not English user, you can click on language and choose the available languages right here. And that's it for today's video guys. Tell me in the comments if you already have been using Walter Wright's, or if you are new to this tool, tell me what you think about it, or is it worth your time and money.